Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for the best downloader code to access movies and sports content in 2025, follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Turn on your streaming device and navigate to the home screen. Ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Step 2. Open the downloader app on your device. If you don't have it installed, visit your device's app store and search for Downloader to install it. Step 3. In the Downloader app, click on the URL field at the top of the screen where it says http:// to activate the keyboard. Step 4. Enter the downloader code for the Movies and Sports app. Make sure to type it carefully to avoid errors. Step 5. Press Go or Enter on your keyboard. The app will begin downloading the installation file automatically. Step 6. Once the download is complete, the installation prompt will appear. Click Install to proceed with the installation. Step 7. After installation, open the app and browse through the extensive library of movies and sports content available. Step 8. Select your favorite content and start streaming instantly. Enjoy unlimited access to premium entertainment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.